go. All right, we are underway here. Match number 33. There goes two Red Alliance robots racing out to that middle of the field, quickly gobbling up a ton of fuel there. Blue Alliance doing quite a bit of scoring themselves there, but HighTide there, 44-14, just a constant stream of fuel going up and into that hub. 129-60 is our score at the end of autonomous, so advantage goes to the Red Alliance. Over goes 44-14 quickly with another hopper full of fuel, sending it up and into that hub. Meanwhile, PrepaTec Cyberius, a lot of shots going over the hub, a couple of them going in, but a very productive transition shift for our Red Alliance, who now leading 184-99. 13 seconds left in this first Blue Alliance shift, as Blue Alliance try to play some catch-up, still trailing by just under 50 points. Now here comes the Red Alliance, 44-14, loaded up with a ton of fuel, along with 60-17 PrepaTec Cyberius, as HighTide just cleaning up this Red Alliance zone, quickly passing 300 fuel scored, and we still have a minute and a half left to go. 44-14 already posted several scores, over 600 points in this match. So here they go, chasing another high score here on the Daly Division field. 389-168 is our score. The Red Alliance in the lead, as it is the Blue Alliance's shift, and Blue trying to score as much as they can there, trying to see if they can at least get a energized ranking point out of this match. 44-14, a ton of fuel into that robot, now taking aim at that hub, up and in goes all of that fuel from their hopper into that hub, and then back out into the middle of the field. Now, two of the Red Alliance robots collecting more fuel there in the middle of the field. 473-255, under 40 seconds left, as Cyberius and HighTide both taking a 1-2 punch at that Red Alliance hub. 44-14 goes back into Roomba mode there, shooting on the move. 579-279. Red Alliance in the lead. They already have the supercharged ranking point. Blue Alliance getting closer and closer to that 360 threshold. See if they can hit it and get at least the energized ranking point out of this match. 10 seconds left to go, as another huge rush of fuel from HighTide and Cyberius. 5 seconds left. Can they get another volley up and in? It crosses 700 fuel threshold.